Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take a photo in the coral zone. So basically it means that you just need to take a picture in coral way, I believe. So let's just go to like a coral and let's take a picture like this. And yeah, should be completed the daily requests. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. That's how you can take a picture in the coral zone. They just mean coral way. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.